In the eternal silence between the stars, worlds wander lost, planets torn from their parent suns, cast adrift into an endless night. They are the forgotten ones, drifting through voids colder than death itself. For every star we see, there may be dozens of these unseen worlds lurking in shadows beyond human imagining. Once cradled in warm orbits, these planets were betrayed by chaos, gravitational violence shattering cosmic harmony. Like children expelled from the home fires, they spin alone now, stripped of light and hope. Their journeys may last until the end of time, haunting the black corridors between galaxies. Scientists call them rogue planets, but no human word captures their solitude. Without a star, they know no day, no season, no dawn. Their surfaces are locked in perpetual frost, crusted with frozen gases and silent oceans that will never thaw. Imagine standing on such a world, your breath condensing in zero light, your footsteps muffled by dust untouched for a billion years. Above, no sun glows, only a cold riot of stars. You would not even cast a shadow, for there is no light to bear one. These planetary ghosts may number in the trillions, drifting unnoticed through the galactic dark. Some once held life, even oceans, before being flung into exile. Now they circle nothing, tracing endless arcs of despair through the interstellar abyss. Their exile begins with celestial violence, massive worlds shifting orbits, pulling smaller companions into catastrophe. A slight wobble, an unseen pull, and gravity itself casts judgment. The stars watch in silence as the doomed world departs, never to return. As they fall into the dark, a rogue planet's skies twist with auroras born from internal magnetism. Beneath their crusts, faint warmth from past formation clings on, sustaining caverns of liquid rock where no light has ever walked. It's a defiant heartbeat under an eternal shroud. Without sunlight, heat becomes memory. Days, years, millennia merge into one unbroken night where even radiation fades like dying whispers. Yet deep under ice miles thick, rogue planets may cradle secret oceans kept liquid by their own decaying hearts. If life could endure here, it would not resemble anything born of light. It would evolve blind, pale, sensing vibrations instead of sight, thriving on chemical ghosts. Perhaps, beneath those frozen shells, entire civilizations lie dormant, never knowing what day means. To observers, these worlds are invisible unless they betray themselves through heat or the bending of starlight. Astronomers scan for their faint infrared size, searching for blurs among billions. Each detection is a whisper from the dark, a planet refusing oblivion. Some rogue planets travel in pairs, bound only to each other by fragile gravity. They twirl silently through the void like lovers locked in eternal, lightless embrace. No star warms them, only the echo of each other's pull, keeping them from final isolation. Over time, starlight dims completely. The planet, cold as the heart of eternity, relies on inner decay, uranium, thorium, potassium, radiating faint heat. Its surface becomes a glassy wasteland of impossible stillness, frozen storms imprisoned beneath icy crusts. But rogue planets do not wander aimlessly forever. Some stumble into new systems, drawn by gravity's whisper. They intrude like phantoms, disturbing delicate orbits, rewriting destinies, before sliding back into anonymity, cosmic trespassers leaving chaos as their only trace. The universe is ancient, and older rogue planets may drift between galaxies, beyond even the faintest starlight. Out there, temperature drops near absolute zero. Matter slows, time itself seems hesitant, and even thought feels distant, as if the cosmos is holding its breath. Imagine a world crossing into a nebula, its surface shrouded in drifting violet clouds, static lightning tearing across alien skies. No life screams here, only the hum of particles and the silent witnessing of dust that remembers the dead stars that birthed it. Each rogue planet carries a story written in scars, craters of forgotten collisions, ridges of frozen water, hints of lost atmospheres. To study one is to read a cosmic obituary, a eulogy carved in stone for a world no one mourned. Some may harbor secrets locked beneath iron shells, cores generating faint magnetisms that echo into the void. These magnetic sighs, detectable across light years, are cries without words, repeating endlessly into the black ocean of space. The loneliness of these worlds defies comprehension. No sunrise, no seasons, no noise but tectonic groans from frozen bedrock. They drift endlessly, unseen, embodying the universe's pure indifference to warmth or witness. From time to time, a rogue planet may pass ominously close to a star system, bending light around its invisible bulk. Astronomers call it gravitational lensing, but poets might call it haunting, a shadow bending the light of hope. If one crossed our own solar system, it might bring tidal chaos, darkening skies with dust. The sun's loyal worlds would mutate in its passing wake. Humanity would never see it coming until the heavens themselves bent in unnatural ways. There is a growing whisper among scientists that rogue planets might outnumber anchored ones. The night sky, serene and star-filled, may hide nomads drifting unseen between the glimmers, more numerous than the lights themselves. In the deep, these worlds might collide, merging in slow, molten agony. For brief eons, a dead planet becomes a radiant ember again, only to cool back into silence. A heartbeat of fire in the cold arteries of infinity. No myth ever captured this endless exile, this wandering without witness. Even our oldest legends of lost ships and cursed travelers fail before the truth of these orphans who float forever in ink and frost. The cold atmospheres hold spectral auroras, ghostly veils sparked by cosmic rays. Green and violet curtains ripple across airless horizons. It is beauty without audience, majesty without meaning, a cosmic art show for no eyes at all. As entropy deepens, the universe itself will fill with such dark wanderers, planets, moons, and remnants drifting through stretched blackness. When the last star dies, these will be what remains, each carrying ancient dust of dreams long extinguished. Human curiosity, however, refuses to yield. We build eyes of silicon and gold, searching the void for their silent forms. Every faint signature we find is a reminder, not everything that exists can be seen, but all that exists can haunt. Some theorists suggest that rogue planets might capture drifting moons or debris, forming tiny solar systems around their darkness. Imagine a moon orbiting a dead world, its view nothing but perpetual night, a servant circling a master neither living nor dead. The more we search, the more we realize how fragile our place is. Earth clings to its star by cosmic mercy. One wrong gravitational whisper, and we too could join the silent caravan, sailing forever through blindness. Perhaps consciousness itself arose to contemplate such loneliness, to give voice to the universe that cannot speak. In rogue planets, we see the reflection of existential truth. Even in the grandest scheme, purpose is optional, survival an accident. As probes venture deeper, instruments tuned to heat, radio, and gravity may one day capture the first true image of a rogue planet. That ghostly silhouette against the black will not comfort us, it will remind us of how easily light can be lost. In that moment, humanity will stare into a mirror of cosmic indifference. A world once warm, now abandoned, a testament to how beauty fades when the fires die. Every detail will whisper the same truth, endings are not rare, merely inevitable. Perhaps, one future night, our descendants will look up and see nothing at all. Not for lack of vision, but because all stars have faded. And they'll drift like rogue planets themselves, guided only by memory of what once was light. Till then, rogue planets continue their silent ballet across eternity. Each revolution through nothingness a quiet symphony of ruin and persistence. For all our searching, perhaps the universe's greatest horror isn't emptiness, it's endurance beyond reason. If you could hear their collective silence, it would sound like sorrow, the low hum of ancient exiles crossing the abyss. And through that darkness, one truth drifts like a curse: not all worlds need stars to exist, but all stars eventually abandon their worlds. So when you look at the night sky tonight, remember, behind the glimmering lattice of constellations, unseen worlds glide endlessly in darkness. They are the orphans of the cosmos, the true face of eternity, where even light dares not linger.